Hey guys! So I'm sorry that I've been gone for a little bit. Basically work's been crazy lately, and not only that, but I've been wrapping up some bigger things that have been going on in my life and settling down a little bit. So now I'm finally able to sit down and film a video for you guys. And in this video, I'm gonna paint my face to look like a fish. So for those of you who don't know, Phil Lester, aka Amazing Phil here on YouTube, recently posted a video where he made a fish makeup look inspired by his pet fish Norman, and I've got a screen cap right here on my iPad. So if I keep looking down, it's because I'm looking at the screen cap here, and I figured that I would try to recreate it. So without further ado, the first thing I'm gonna do is cover up these hideous little acne scars that I have, because I'm horrible and I pick at my acne when I have zits, which you shouldn't do because then you get stupid ass things like this all over your face. So we're gonna cover those up first. Sometimes you need more than one layer, so we're gonna just, yeah. Set that with powder, because why not? Okay, so now I've got my foundation on, which doesn't look very balanced on the entirety of my face, but whatever. I have a bunch of different blues here. Oh god. So I've got this blue palette by Hard Candy. I've also got this singular blue, and I've got this NYX palette with a blue right here. And I'm going to use this black to outline Norman's face. And we'll see how that goes. Okay, so we're gonna go through the eyebrow. I think, yeah, that's what Phil did. So I'm gonna go through my eyebrow and bring it down by the corner of my eye, giving myself a bit of a weird eyebrow, and then go in, and there's his mouth. Reminder that this is only a slight outline just to base my shape on here. Okay, so that's the outline part. It looks kind of silly. I'm gonna try and draw scales on later, I promise. But we're gonna take this brush because it's a little bit more concentrated, compact. We're gonna put some blue on there, and the only crappy part about this whole look is that I don't believe, I'll have to double check, but I don't think that I have blue glitter like Phil did. But you know what, we'll make do with what we got here. Okay, so there's the, oh god, it looks like I'm wearing a mask, but there's the blue base, okay? I promise that it's not gonna look as terrifying later on. So I'm gonna take some of that blue again with this brush and kind of sweep it out. Right now it looks like really but you know what, we're just gonna go for it. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna add some black in to make it a little bit cooler, wispy, and then I might try to blend it. I have like a plan for this in my head, but it's not really turning out the way I wanted it to. Oh, I just dipped that back in the blue, whatever. That's okay. You know what, we'll just keep doing what we're doing, and we'll have fun with it, because that's the aim of the game here, is to have fun with what we're doing. And if we look a little bit goofy while we're doing it, that's fine. Because, you know what? This is my life, and if I want to paint my face to look like a f***ing fish, I can do whatever the hell I want. Okay, so like I said, we're going to try blending this and see what it does. I hope it does something nice. It's going to wisp it up. Oh, that actually looks really dope. I'm happy with that. Let's blend this line too, because this line is harsh AF. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. So now I've got this liquid NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to try to draw scales with it. We will see how that goes. So, yeah, we'll see how this little goes. Okay, so the eyeliner wasn't working really well, so we're going to go in with the black again and try to draw some scales. Ooh, you know what? That kind of works. I'm gonna try it. Oh god, that looks terrible. We're gonna draw it up like this. There we go, that's way better. The things I do for the internet. Okay, so those scales don't look half as bad as I thought they were going to, but I am gonna give Norman here a little eye so you can like see what the hell's going on with this monstrosity that I've turned my face into. And then we're gonna take this white eyeliner here. I'm gonna give him a little anime eye, I think. That's what I want to do. Oh my god. That looks dope. Okay, there we go. Maybe I'll use this to highlight some of the scales, maybe. Just little bits of white here and there. So there's a little bit of shimmer, and then what I'm gonna do to, actually, you know what? I'm gonna use some of the silvers in here, I think. Wait, no, I'm not. Too dark. No, you know what? I am. I'm gonna make them some more different colors. So there's like this nice kind of sparkly tealy color that I can spot all over my face. That actually looks really pretty. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna move on to this really pretty darker. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna blend that all up into his tail like that, because that looks super pretty. Oh crap, I just realized I don't need to give him an eye because my eye is gonna be his eye. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. There. Oh, okay, well, you know what? We'll just make that work. I totally forgot about that for like 1 second. And then we're gonna take this big brush here and I'm gonna dip it into my silvery sparkles. Just to give my face a little glitter, because I don't have glitter like Phil does. Alright, I'm gonna take a final look here. Oh my god. You know what? His tail kinda, yeah, okay. You know what? I can get down. I can get down. Oh god. Can't really relax my eye long enough to do this. But you know what? This is the finished look. Yeah, his tail kind of turned into one big blob. And there's his mouth. And yeah, so I try to relax my right eye so you guys can see the full extent of what I've done to my face. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. There's my thumbs. Subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy my videos. Click the little bell icon down below so you're not missing notifications for uploads from me. Phil, if you ever see this, I love you so very much. I'm gonna link Phil's original video down in the description below. Thanks a lot, you guys. Keep being awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye.